If you love to see how I achieve this lovely aloe braid, keep watching. Do not skip. Watch from the beginning to the end. Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel, my returning subscribers. Thanks for always tuning into the channel. So guys, in this today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to use old extension to achieve something classic and beautiful. So guys, if you really want to know how I achieve this aloe braid, just keep watching, do not skip. So this is my client's hair. The hair is washed already and I'm trying to style the hair. Can you see guys? So first thing, I section the hair into two equal portions. So after that, I go ahead and bring out some small one from the middle. That's how I really want to style it. So guys, just keep watching. I don't know how to explain this particular part, but this hair that I just bring out, I want to use it as crisscross, like the cornrow. Yes, so after bringing it out, I try to divide it into two. Can you see what I'm doing? So after sectioning it into two equal parts again, like the one I bring out from the both side, so I try to divide it into two. This is the one I'll use for crisscross. Yeah, can you see? So I'm trying to pattern it well, and I don't want to, as a professional, always make your pattern neat. So after that, I go ahead and section this particular one into three. Can you see guys? So you repeat the same thing on the other side. So after the sectioning parts, I'll move on and start braiding it, and that's what I'm actually doing right here. Can you see guys? So I start braiding it. That means I'll be crossing it to the other side. Can you see what I'm doing? Please guys, don't mind my voice, I have cold. Yeah, can you see guys? So you repeat the same thing on the other side too. You cross your hand. This is the only way I can explain this particular part. Yeah, please, if you are watching my video for the first time, that means you are new. Please go ahead and hit subscribe button to join the family. Also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And for my old subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you for supporting Queen and Nikki. You guys are doing so great. I really appreciate every one of you. Thank you so much. Guys, please also watch ads. That's the only way you can appreciate your girl. Please watch ads. So, like I said, this particular aloe braid, I'm trying to give it a beautiful style. Can you see guys? Just pay attention, watch from the beginning, and you guys will love the outcome of the braid. And guess what? Something that is so special about this braid, I'll be using old extension. Like, my clients actually used the extension once before, then she doesn't want to throw it away, because if you are watching this video from Nigeria, you know what our economic is saying. So guys, it's just another way of saving money. You can actually use old extension and you achieve something beautiful and classic from it. So guys, when I'm done with the middle part, I proceed and I try to section the side as well. Can you see? So all this cornrow that I'm giving to it, I'm just trying to give it a lovely pattern to make it look mwah. So guys, I try to braid the side like two cornrow. So after braiding the two cornrow, I just noticed I need to added another cornrow just to give me exactly what I want. And just keep watching guys. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, once again go ahead and subscribe. And if you guys love this tutorial, if this tutorial is helpful to you guys, please give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section. And like I keep saying it, if you're an OG, if you have any else that in mind that you want me to do tutorial on, let me know in the comment section and I'll be glad to upload your request. So guys, can you see this is the third cornrow I'm trying to do at the side. So what I'm actually doing to this side, that's exactly what I'll do to the other side. Can you see, guys? So now when I'm done with the cornrow, I try to do this particular one off camera. I'm so sorry, guys. So what I do here, like I want to do it like is a stitch, but it's a kind of stitch that I'm not using my hand to cut it. I just braided it down. I braid it. So this is the old extension I'm talking about. Can you see, guys? This is the extension I'll be using, and trust me, guys, you will love the outcome of the braid. So I try to arrange the old extension, then this is me trying to fix it up. Can you see, guys? So if you are doing this lovely method, like the first one, you don't braid it so that you'll find it easier while you are trying to braid the stitch. Can you see, guys? So as you are braiding it, the extension will becomes bigger. So you start with a tiny one. As you're braiding it, you keep adding to it, and this is me. So when you're trying to braid the hair, just make sure you hold it firm, not too tight. Hold it firm. Yes, hold it firm, not too tight. Yes, there's a way you hold hair firm and it won't be tight. It's not as if you hold it too tight. You just have to hold it firm. So guys, can you see, guys? I'm done with this particular one. So this braid is just 4 braid, apart from the salt, pepper that I added to the side and the middle. So the braid is just 4, and I'm done with the braid. So I try to trim it. After the trimming, so this is what I do. I try to wrap it all over, then I secure it with my needle and thread. Can you see, guys? So after securing it with needle and thread, I use gel, like my so fine white gel, to style it, to make it neat. Then I apply my mousse on it, and this is the final look of the braid. Can you see, guys? So I apply my mousse and I use hand dryer to dry it out. This is the final look of the braid. Thank you so much, guys. Let me know if you love the video, and if the video is helpful, go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up. Share to your friends and family. As you all know, sharing is part of caring. So guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. I love you all.